Okay, the third part of question 3C for the 2014 Algebra exam for NCEA 2. End of year says a second dose of the medication can be administered sometime later. And again, the amount of medication in the patient's bloodstream from the second dose can be modeled by the same function as that for the first. So where are we? We've got 250 milligrams in their bloodstream right now. So we've got M is equal to 250.44. Okay, we're going to administer a little bit more, see if we can pump it up, but to no more than 300. So 300 is going to be the maximum we can have. It's going to be times 0.8. And we want to find the time it's going to take to get to this bit here. Okay, so what can we do here? So first thing we need to know is it can't be any more than 300. So what have we got to do to this to get 300? So if I had 300 and I subtracted the 250.44, we're going to end up with, let's have a look, 300 minus 250.44 is 49.56. So 49.56 is all we've got left to get to. Now, the question is, how long will it take to get to that? And let's see what that would be. So let's go ahead and, well, first thing is I'm going to divide both sides by 250.44. Divide 250.44. So now we're going to have, let's go, 49.56 divided by 250.44. And we're going to end up with 0.19. 0.19789. So we're going to have 19789. 19789 is equal to 0.8 to the power of t. So I'm actually going to find the log of both sides now to find t. So I'll just stretch this out a little bit further so I've got a little bit more room there because I didn't give myself too much there. So I'll find the log of this side here, and I find the log of 0.8, and the t, of course, now will become the coefficient. So I'm going to divide both sides by the log of 0.8, log of 0.8, and that's going to leave me with t. So t is equal to log of this divided by the log of that. Let's see where we end up. So I'm going to go log of the answer divided by log of 0.8. Divided by log 0.8, and I get 7.26. It's equal to, oops, where are we? 7.26. Now these are, of course, time in what? Time. These are time in hours, aren't they? Okay, let me just check this. Yeah, here it is, time in hours. So this is 7.26 hours. And you probably want to say something to the effect of, hours before second dose can be administered. Before the second, or before I want the next dose, I'll put next dose, can be administered. Yeah, you want to put a bit of context to it, I think. All right, hopefully that makes sense. Let me know in the chat below.